Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a plus 2ab plus b is equals to 9, and we solve this problem for the integer values of a and b. It means that we just find only integral roots of this equation. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here first we need to multiply both of the sides by 2. So when we multiply both of the sides on each of these terms by 2, it will be written as so this will becomes here 2a plus this 2 times 2 becomes 4ab plus this is 2 times of b is equals to 2 times of 9 becomes here 18. And now further in the next step, here we need to add plus 1 on both of the sides, and now we add 1 on both of the sides, and after adding 1 it will be written as 2a plus 4ab plus this is 2b plus 1 is equals to 18 plus 1. So here the reason of doing these two steps is that here first we need to make the factors of this equation. So in order to make the factor of the left hand side, we need to do these type of steps. Okay, so further in the next step, you see here from the first two terms we have 2a be the common term, and when we take common 2a we get the remaining values are, from here we get 1 plus, from here we get 2b, and plus from here we take common 1 and we get the remaining values are 1 plus 2b, and this is equals to 18 plus 1 becomes here 19. And now in the next step we need to take common 1 plus 2b from here, and when we take common 1 plus 2b we get the remaining values are 1 plus 2a, and this whole equation is equals to 19. And now in the next step, you see here in the left hand side we have these are the two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor and it is 19. So here first we need to find any two integers whose product becomes 19. So the possibilities are 1 multiplied by 19 is equals to 19, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 19 is also equals to 19. So we have these are the two possibilities in which the product of two integers becomes 19. So now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we compare the left hand side with these two numbers, and after comparing these values we get 1 plus 2b equals to 1 and 1 plus 2a is equals to 19. So this is our first case, and here we write the second case, and in the second case we compare these two factors with these two numbers, and it will be written as 1 plus 2b is equals to minus 1 and 1 plus 2a is also equals to minus 19. So here we need to solve both of these two cases and we get the value of and we easily get the values of a and b. So first we solve our case number 1, and in case number 1 we move plus 1 to the here we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2, and we call this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So first we need to focus on equation number 1, and equation number 1 is implies that we move plus 1 to the right hand side and it will becomes 2b equals to 1 minus 1, and we obtain 2b equals to 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and now we divide both of the sides by 2 and it will becomes this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here b equals to 0 divided by 2 becomes here 0. So this is the value of b which we get here from case number 1, and now we get the value of a, and for this we need to focus on equation number 2, and equation number 2 is implies that we have 1 plus 2a equals to 19, and here we move this plus 1 to the right hand side and it will becomes 2a equals to 19 minus 1, and we obtain 2a equals to 18, and now we divide both of the sides by 2 and it will become this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here our a is equals to 2 times 9 becomes 18. So this is the value of A. So in the first case we get this is the value of A and this is the value of B. These are the two required values of A and B. And now we move towards our second case and we again get the values of A and B. So here we focus on equation number 3, and equation number 3 is implies that here we move plus 1 to the right hand side and it will becomes 2b equals to minus 1 minus 1, and we obtain 2b equals to minus 2, and here we divide both of the sides by 2 and we get the value of b is equals to this 2 and 2 are gone and we get here minus 1. So this is the value of b which we get here. And now here in the next step we need to focus on equation number 4, and this implies that we have here we move plus 1 to the right hand side and it will becomes 2a is equals to minus 19 minus 1, and this will becomes 2a equals to minus 20, and we again divide both of the sides by 2 and it will becomes this 2 and 2 are gone and we get here our a is equals to this is 2 times 10 becomes 20, and we get the value of a is equals to minus 10. So this is the value of a and this is the value of b which we get here in the second case. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.